Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Elgato capture card with OBS and PS5, full guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary equipment. Ensure you have your Elgato capture card, PS5, and a computer with OBS installed. Connect the Elgato capture card to your computer using a USB cable. Next, connect one end of an HDMI cable to the PS5. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI input on the Elgato capture card. Now, take another HDMI cable. Connect one end of this second HDMI cable to the HDMI output on the Elgato capture card. Connect the other end to your monitor or TV. Power on your PS5 and make sure it's fully operational. Launch OBS on your computer. In OBS, locate the Sources panel at the bottom of the screen. Click on the plus icon to add a new source. Select Video Capture Device from the drop-down menu. A window will pop up prompting you to create a new source. Give the source a name, such as Elgato Capture, and click OK. In the next window, select your Elgato capture card from the device drop-down menu. Adjust the resolution and frame rate settings to match your preference. Once properly configured, click OK to confirm. You should now see the PS5 video feed in the OBS preview window. If you don't see the video, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Next, adjust the audio settings in OBS. Go to the audio mixer panel to ensure you have the correct audio source selected. You may also want to add game audio from your PS5. To do this, go back to the Sources panel and click on the plus icon. Select Audio Input Capture and click OK. Name the source, then select your audio device from the drop-down menu. Click OK to finalize the addition of your audio source. Make sure the audio levels are balanced in the audio mixer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.